सिद्धार्थ कुमार। जो सिद्धार्थ कुमार थे उन्होंने एक हंस के प्राण किस तरह बचाए, तो उसके बारे में कुछ कहानी है और मैं आपको सुना रही हूँ, तो आप अंडरस्टैंड करें इसे और ध्यान से सुनें। लॉर्ड बुद्धा was named Siddhartha Kumar in his childhood. Emperor Siddhartha got a great garden plants for him. One day he was walking in the garden. In the meanwhile, a swan crying with pain fell down from the sky. Prince Siddhartha raised it up and put it on his lap. Someone had shot an arrow to kill the swan. The arrow was still sticking into its body. Prince Siddhartha pulled the arrow out from its body and stuck into his left arm with his right hand so that he could know how he felt. When the arrow was stuck into his body, tears streamed down his face. Instantly, without thinking of his own pain, but thinking of the pain into the swan's body, he burst into tears. Prince Siddhartha watched the wound of the swan, applied the sap of level on those windows, love, and having put it on his lap, rubbed it gently with love. In the meanwhile, from some distance, he heard Devdatta's voice. Has my swan fell down here? Prince Devdatta was Siddhartha Kumar's cousin. He was hard-headed. He enjoyed hunting. He had shot the arrow. Having seen the swan on Siddhartha Kumar's lap, he came running to him and said, "This is my swan, give it to me." Siddhartha said, "Have you reared it?" Devdatta said, "I have shot an arrow. Just see, my arrow is laying there." Prince Siddhartha said, "You have shot an arrow? Why did you shoot an arrow to kill an innocent bird?" "I have seen, by sticking the arrow into my arm, how much pain it causes when it is stuck into the body. I'll not give it to you when it recovers from its ill health. I'll set it free so that it may fly away. Devdatta was not a prince of simple and strength-forward nature. They began to quarrel with each other. They forwarded the case to Emperor Siddhartha. The emperor listened to both of the princes. He said to Devdatta, "Can you kill this swan?" Devdatta said, "Kindly give it to me. I'll kill it just now." The emperor asked him, "Will you bring it back to life again. Devdatta said, a diet began can't be brought back to life. How can I bring it back to life? The emperor said, this rule of hunting is justified that he who kills a beast of or a bird has a claim on it. If the swan had been killed, you would have set up a claim to it, but he who saved a dying being has more claim on the being than the man who had shot it. Siddhartha was saved the life of his swan, therefore he has a claim on it. Prince Siddhartha took the swan when its bound had helped he let to fly away. हो गया है।